So you can see the main building of Taiza Onsen Sumihei Ryokan here. We come down across into this area where there's a lounge, another lounge over here, which has a lot of complimentary snacks and drinks and whatnot. And so there's a row of rooms here. They are called the Kinean type, which is second from the top room category, with a onsen, hot springs bath. And so this is one of the rooms. And this is not quite the same category as the room I just showed earlier, the Sanzenho type. But it's nice and comfortable, cozy, and stylish in a different way. Actually, mainly similar way, but it has its own unique attributes, as you'll see. This is the bathroom. Not bathroom, toilet. This is the wash basin, single sink, if that matters. And then out here, this is a closet. And then over here is the onsen. So the hot springs here, as you saw in the other room, they had an indoor and open air bath. This room has just the indoor one. It's sort of open air. You can open up this sliding glass door so you can let the air in, but it's not true open air. As with most ryokans, in-room onsen, it's a wet room style where the shower is adjacent to the onsen. Okay, and then let's swing back towards the main living area. And so this is the bedroom. It's really stylish, isn't it? It's like a kimono obi, like the belt style, along the wall. You have a little kind of a dry rock, mini dry rock garden over here. You can see with a bamboo flute type thing. Adds a nice little accent to the overall room. A closer look at the decoration behind the bed. And then down here is the main living area. So this is, there's, again, 21 going on 23 total rooms at Sumihei. There's all kinds of different room categories. There's some that are more spacious than others, one a little more traditional, some more modern, some with futons, some with beds, some with onsen, some without. Which shouldn't be a problem because there's 6 public onsen, not public, private rental onsens. There is no communal bath to speak of here. So this is the deck. And so what we'll do here is, because it's getting to that time of day, you can see the fantastic view of the sunset. This is along the Sea of Japan. So anyways, this is Kinean style room. If I said Kiwame, I apologize. That's the crab course we're having here today. So this is the Kinean type room. Kind of a low sitting coffee seating area with a coffee table, a small TV over here. Living area, the mini bar and whatnot, they're down here, but I won't open it just to spare you the trouble. Actually, what I will do is open this up. Hold on one second. Let me move this out of the way. As with other proper ryokans, you have yukata, robes, and then you have the samue, which is more like pajamas. So everything's taken care of, as well as the socks. The thing about this place is that you don't have to take your shoes off upon entering the property. You can actually keep your shoes on all the way to your room, and then you take them off before going in the room. So why did I say that? Well, I guess if you want to wear those socks along with the shoes that you came with, you can do that, although they're a bit thin. So they're meant to be worn with geta clogs, which or slippers that are generally supplied by the property. Anyways, hope you enjoyed Taiza Onsen Sumihei. Can't wait for dinner. See you later.